I've used both of these knife sets for a long time, one of them considerably longer than the other. I want to tell you the similarities, differences, which one I'm going to be keeping, and hopefully you can decide which one's good for you. So first of all, this one I got for free as a review copy a few weeks ago. So I have had this for much, much less time. This is by KnifeSaga, and it's a great set of stainless steel knives. This I got as a wedding gift, my wife and I, almost 14 years ago. So we've had this forever. This is by Calphalon, and very popular brand. They've worked great. Let me tell you which one I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna keep using these, okay? But I do like these for what they are, and I'm gonna tell you what you get in the box with both of them. I don't know if we got scissors in this original set. I'm assuming that the sets these days, these come with scissors also. As you can see by some of the mismatched knives in here, we've actually either misplaced, lost, or broken some of the knives that came in this original set. But by and large, you get kind of the same stuff in here as you do in here. And knife sets are gonna vary, you know, so everybody's gonna have a chef knife. Incidentally, this is the reason that I decided this morning to stay with my Calphalon set. And it looks like this is all grimy. I need to actually clean this. I don't know why that handle's dirty. So I used this chef knife this morning from KnifeSaga to cut some potatoes up, dice some potatoes for some hash browns with my breakfast. And I noticed how light it was. This is considerably lighter than what you get over here at Calphalon. Now, this might be a good thing because it is sharp. They both have a sharpening mechanism. We'll get to this in a second. You get an actual steel rod here, and you get a built-in little sharpener over here, which I'm not convinced about this guy at all. I've never used this before, but you do get a sharpening situation with both. Be that as it may, this is a sharp knife. It sliced great, it diced great, but I just noticed, man, this just doesn't feel as substantial, and that goes for the entire lineup. The Calphalons, you are going to find a little bit more premium quality blades here, and another reason I'm going to stick with these guys, you can also dishwash these. So I don't know if they're dishwasher safe. I believe that they are. They're full forged, no stain blades, but we've been dishwashing these for 14 years, so they're dishwasher safe, and that's totally fine with me. These they recommend you to hand wash. They're all the metal one piece. This has the handle on all these, this black part of it that is forged around or is built around the actual metal piece of it. It's just a little bit heavier duty metal, and I think I like the experience of this better. I definitely like the sharpening situation better. I didn't even start using this rod, what do they call it, a sharpening rod? It's just a piece of steel, until a few years ago, and it really does make a big difference. This thing right here, I don't know about all that. So I'd rather just have a steel and sharpen it like that. And I mean, you can use that on any situation here. So we could sharpen this guy with the same steel. What else you get? You get utility knives, you get chef knife that I already showed you. You get this, how do you pronounce it? Santoku knife. That's standard in both situations. And you know, the knife experience is good in both situations. You do get a bread knife over here, which I think is one of the lost knives in this set, because I don't have a bread knife anymore. This is actually not part of the Calphalon set. I think the bread knife maybe used to go there. Get a utility knife here. The utility knife over here is a serrated utility knife. Just a little different there. Bread knife I already showed you. This is kind of a bigger utility blade right there, non-serrated. I like the paring knife here. I actually don't use the paring knife a ton. I've never used this guy a whole lot. It's the paring knife, which is a little bit longer in the Calphalon set. And then the main stuff down here, this is another real big reason I'm going to stick with the Calphalons. The steak knives end up being kind of our do everything with them knives. So I use these daily to slice apples. Like, that's probably the #1 thing I actually use the steak knife for. And I've found that the steak knife on the Calphalon, it's got some serration going on over here as well as this part. So it's not all just a straight blade. and it is all a straight blade on the KnifeSaga. It's just not as smooth of a situation for me, even though it is sharp. It works fine as a steak knife, like that's its utility, supposed to be. But I found the experience of using, just for everyday stuff, this steak knife, or in my case a utility knife, to be just a better experience. Now you do get a nice knife over here with the KnifeSaga. These are some pretty heavy duty knives. They got a nutcracker component in the handle down here. Again, I think that we must have lost our scissor situation, because it does have a slot for it. I just can't remember when or where we lost that, and we've replaced it with this pretty heavy duty, but now pretty old also, orange handled scissors. And then I've got some assortments of other stuff in here, just because we have lost over the years some of the regular blades that came with this. On the whole though, even though, and here's that slicer blade that, whoa, that corresponds with this slicer blade. On the whole though, even though I've lost some of my blades here and I don't have exactly the same situation over here, I'm missing the bread knife, I'm missing the scissors, I still use chef knife almost daily, steak knives definitely daily, and then every now and then I'll pull out the parer for something, and then I use the steel almost daily too, because I usually swipe the old chef knife on it when I'm sharpening it. So I've been real impressed with both of them. These are a great set of knives if you're willing to hand wash, or spin the dice and take a risk on machine washing, which they don't recommend. And if you like a straight blade on your steak blades. It also looks a little sharper, so I will give the appearance to this set. I like the darker wood block, I like the lower profile wood block, and I like the all steel situation. My handles, just because I've had them for 14 years, now it's a testament to the fact that they still do look good, but you can tell they're worn. You can tell they've been used for years, and I do like the steel look of these a little bit better. Anyway, that's kind of the overview. I've been happy with these guys. I'm going to keep them. I was happy to get the review copy of these to check them out, and they are a great set of knives. I don't have any real problems with them myself, except maybe the hand washing part, if that ends up being a thing. Hope that's helpful for you. If it was, click the old thumbs up button to let other people find this as well, and I hope you have a great one.